Hello everyone, I'm Jamie Litherland and I'm the Solutions Owner at Voss Solutions. Do you have a replacement strategy for Cisco Prime collaboration? With Voss, you have the Cisco Prime replacement vendor of choice. Here's why. When Cisco announced the end of sale and end of life for the Prime collaboration suite back in 2021, they left a huge user base with a very unclear future. Many organizations took quick and decisive action, making the choice to transition away from Cisco Prime to Voss. Here is a summary of 6 case studies. 1. An international contact center service provider replaces Cisco Prime collaboration assurance with Voss Insights, providing a single pane of glass management console for its entire collaboration platform. 2. Alpine Health Technologies launches a new UC service, enabling expansion into the hosted UCaaS market and to continue remaining a competitive, cost-effective, and a reliable service for its customers. 3. A Canadian service provider chooses Voss for multi-vendor UC monitoring and creates a seamless integration between UC automation management and UC performance monitoring. 4. A continental North American service provider replaces Cisco PCA. See how Voss fulfilled all of the provider's requirements within a single package, eliminating the need for additional charges associated with contact center functionalities in Cisco PCA. 5. BCX selects Voss Insights to replace Cisco Prime Collaboration Assurance. Learn how this South African service provider maintained its high-quality service whilst offering the latest UC and collaboration tools to its customers. And 6. See how a Tier 1 global service provider uses Voss to monitor and manage over 400,000 users and has the ability to create bespoke reports for its customers to help comply with regulatory requirements and provide business insights and impressive cost savings. You can read more about these case studies on the Voss Solutions website. These companies didn't just benefit from Voss's comprehensive UC digital workplace management toolset that spans UC provisioning, UC assurance, UC analytics, and more. They also took the migration to Voss as an opportunity to optimize their UC environment. During the transformation process, these companies worked with Voss to unlock a host of new operational and performance management functionality and benefits along the way. Since 2021, Voss has amassed a great deal of experience helping multiple organizations transition away from Cisco's end-of-life Prime solution. So what's your next step? If you are one of the few organizations that has yet to decide on a transition strategy away from Cisco Prime, then I encourage you to talk to Voss. In the coming months, we will be offering competitive incentives to organizations who think that now is the time to make the move. Contact us to get started